it's Abba in the building. Okay, and welcome back to my channel. Whew. My nose is stuffed. It's fall. It's officially fall. Okay, September 24th. Surprisingly, where I live, the sun is still out, which is unusual, but that's okay. That's besides the point. But I'm excited because sweater weather. I can wear boots now. My Uggs, I don't really have Uggs anymore. They're super like broken down. Like, oh God, they're ratchet. Okay, you won't catch me wearing them in the street. So welcome back. Since it is fall, I decided to come on here and do a quick, not a quick, I don't even know how long this is gonna take. I'm just trying to, you know, step up my beauty game, whatever, because I just, when you're bored, you're just like, let me play with makeup, because that's what I do. When I'm bored, I play with makeup. I don't even know how to do makeup, but I'm just like, I like to play with makeup. So I've already done my foundation and concealer, which is weird. I never do foundation concealer first, but I got a beauty blender, so I wanted to see how that would work out. My concealer, it's all Nars products that I use. So my foundation is the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. And I'm in the color Namibia. This color is a little bit darker for me, so I don't use this all over my face, being that it isn't summer anymore. Obviously, I'm darker in the summertime. And then for concealer, I also use Nars, and that is in the color Cafe. Yeah. And I use a beauty blender to, blend it all out. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face, or bake my face, with the Laura Mercier. This is the deep, okay, medium deep translucent powder. They respected us for once. Oh, just to bake her up or whatever, because she's a little oily. And we don't like oily. We like baked. Remember, I'm not no makeup artist. I'm just doing what works for me. Okay. And for my eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Nars concealer to set my eyes or prime my eyes. I need my little mirror, so here she comes. Okay, putting that all over my lid. Sorry if it goes out of focus from time to time. I'm not quite sure what the dealio will be. I'm gonna just use my finger to just blend that in. Ooh. Being that I am now an only child, meaning that all my sisters are gone out of the house and they're, in college and doing college stuff. I graduated, so that's okay. Because I never thought that this day would come. Like, we all grew up together and lived together, of course. So it's just really, really weird that I'm like the only one here. I forgot to do my brow. Oh my gosh, I have the ugliest brushes ever. Don't mind my brushes because I'm not a makeup artist. Let's brush it out with my broken elf brush. And then I like to just fill it in just a little bit because my eyebrows are pretty full. Thank God, I'm blessed with full eyebrows. So I'm just gonna fill in the little spots. But yeah, like I was saying, I'm the only child at the house right now. All my sisters are gone to school, and it's just super weird because like I said, I never expected this to come, where we'd go our separate ways, and I knew that was gonna happen because we're only getting older. And we have to make our own life and our own decisions. It was just super weird because my youngest sister, the baby of the family, is gone now. So yeah. And then after that, I like to go in under the brow and then highlight it up a little bit. Give it some definition. Just right under there. The last time I did something like this, I came back from Italy. So you obviously saw some vlogs I posted, and I kind of beat myself about it because I didn't record as much out there like I wanted to, because that was it was like a mini vacation practically. Even though I was studying abroad and I was at school and everything, it was just I don't know how to explain it. I met the coolest people ever. If you're in college and you're watching this video, study abroad, okay? Yes, it may be expensive and everything, but it's so worth it because you just meet the coolest people when you travel. And Europe is a really cool place to travel to because it's super historical. And I wanted to go because it was cheaper. The program I chose was a lot cheaper than most programs, so that all worked out. I don't know how I did these brows, but I did them because that's how I usually do them. For this makeup tutorial, the palette I'm gonna be using is the Modern Renaissance, okay, by Anastasia. It's a little dirty, but that's okay. I didn't want to keep her dirty. This is the reason why I kept the box. Do y'all keep the box? Because she's dirty now. That's okay. For the first color, what I'm gonna do all over my lid, and mind you, I don't got the right brushes, but it's gonna work anyway. Let me not, okay? Let me just stop acting like a damn fool. Nobody's home, that's why I'm talking really loud. Oh, let me tell you what color I'm using. So I'm gonna go ahead and use Burnt Orange all over my lid. I should have used Raw Sienna. Oh well, she raw anyways. Burnt Orange raw all over the lid. I wanna get back into Ipsy, but I'm kind of scared for my bank account because it's super expensive. Actually, it's only like $10 a month, right? I think that's what it is. I mean, it's not too bad, but it's fun to get like makeup all the time. Okay, Burnt Orange all over the lid. I don't wanna make it to ya. So I don't know, like these like light nudish colors just to like go all over the lid. I used Burnt Orange all over the lid, and then I'm gonna go ahead and for my crease color, we're gonna use Red Ochre. I dropped the mirror. Okay, so for my crease color, I'm gonna go ahead and use this color right here. Red, I don't know how to say that. Darken her up, but not too much because we want it to still look fall, but not Halloween. Like, you know, Halloween's at the end of the month. We just started fall, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and use that at the crease. Bring that in. And this is the same brush I used for my eyebrows, but this is angled side. That's brush. Ooh, I love this color. We don't want it too dark, but dark enough. And then bring that all the way in. Bring her in. We want it a little bit deep, so focus on the inside of the crease as much as you can. It's like coloring. I don't know how to color, so that's probably why this looks a little bit ratchet. So now that we have our crease color, we want to go, since it's fall, you know, we want to just pop out a little bit, show what we're working with. Okay, our lid color, we're gonna go ahead and use Primavera. Primavera, she's super, super flashy and like, you know, ooh, in your face, like what? So for our lid color, we're gonna use Primavera, and I'm gonna go ahead and just use it on my finger, or use my finger to just dab it on my lid, like so. Just dab her on, dab her on. Woo, she's popping. She's ready for fall. Can we give her a little, honey? I can't stop. Go ahead and do it on the other lid. Yeah. She's pretty. Oh, she's popping. Blends in with the crease color. Ooh, Okay, I love this color. So I literally just used 3 colors or 3 shades for this look. Burnt Orange, Red Ochre, and Primavera. So now that I have my eyes done, I'm gonna go ahead and put some lashes on. Being that I have super curly lashes, like everybody, I think I've mentioned this in my video before, but everybody loves when their lashes are curled, and I don't. My lashes are super curly, so we're gonna uncurl them. Yeah, and when you wanna uncurl them, you just turn it upside down and just squish, squish. Okay? Who has that ugly face when you uncurl your lashes, or when you curl your lashes like this? I have the ugliest face. The lashes I'm gonna be using are the Ardell Wispy. I never know how to put on lashes, so I'm not gonna embarrass myself in front of you guys. Okay, I'm back and I put on my lashes. God knows that took a long time. That's why I didn't record while I was putting it on, because I don't know how to do it. I'm gonna go ahead and use the crease, the crease color that I used, and put it under my waterline. Try not to poke myself in the eye. I'm gonna gonna blend my lashes with the false lashes with this mascara. It's the Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara. Just blend it right under. I'm not sure if I want to like this lip combination with this look, but I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the NYX lip liner in the color Mahogany. I don't know how to do the whole lip, make the lips fuller. We don't need that. And then I have the Kylie, yes, I still have Kylie. The Kylie matte liquid lipstick in the color Love Bite. This was like, Love Bite was like one of the first lip kit launches. This was like probably, how long ago was it? It was quite some time, but I still have it. I like it. And to match the eyes with the lips, I'm deciding to use the Primavera color I used and put that like in the center of my lips, kind of like all around, just to like, you know, brighten it up a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight. I forgot to contour, so I'm gonna go ahead and contour first. Right under there. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. Obviously this one is used a lot. So I'm gonna contour right under here. Get right in there, right into the bone. I don't really contour my nose, but might as well. Ooh, she went a little too heavy on the nose. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight with my Missy Lynn eyeshadow big palette. I've had this for so long. I still use the same highlighter. This one broke, but we still have her right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that color to highlight. It's a nice color. Every single time I wear it, somebody's like, oh, your highlight is popping. I'm like, I know, Missy Lynn. Oh, did you see that? Did you see her? Wow, right over there. Smile! And I'm gonna go right on the nose, like I usually like to do, and right in the center over here. Because we like a little lip highlight. Don't forget your brows, because we are a shiny beast this fall, okay? Glowy and dewy and all. I'm really oily, so I just embrace being oily, you know? You just gotta embrace it. I usually don't like to wear blush because, I don't know, I just don't like it. But this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't know what I did, but it looks like it worked out. Did it work out? You let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be back with another video. Maybe another makeup video because I just like it so much, but that's besides the point. We're switching it up on this channel, looks like. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.